And welcome to today's webinar, Wednesday, May 12th, 2021. We're excited to present the Youth Business Pitch Competition. Our goal at the Legal Aid Society of Palm Beach County is to provide high-quality civil legal advice, representation, and education to the disadvantaged of Palm Beach County in order to protect their personal safety, enhance their opportunities and living conditions, and promote self-sufficiency. If you have any questions during the webinar, please type them in the chat or Q&A box, and we will attempt to respond to your question live during the webinar. If by any chance you miss on some important points, a recorded version of this webinar will be available. Now, without further ado, I'd like to turn it over to our Community Economic Development Neighborhood Entrepreneurial Law Project staff attorney, DaVatrice Lindsey. Thank you, Ms. Lindsey, for joining us.
Thank you so much, Mario. I greatly appreciate it. Good afternoon, everyone. As Mario stated, my name is DaVatrice Lindsey, and I am the attorney for the Neighborhood Entrepreneurial Law Project, known as NELP. It launched in 2018 for individuals and small businesses. We provide residents of the Palm Beach County area the tools and knowledge to be successful in starting and or owning their own small business. We also supply limited financial assistance for business registration, logo design, home occupation affidavit, and more for eligible applicants only. We assist with commercial matters such as notice for breach of covenant of quiet enjoyment, action for unlawful entry and detainer, wrongful eviction, breach of duty to deliver possession of premises, and lease amendment/modification. In addition, we assist with copyright registration and trademark registration. Lastly, we furnish webinars and podcasts regarding important business topics. Today, I have the pleasure of introducing our highly esteemed panel of judges, Ms. Danya Fisher-Lindsey, Dr. Maria Cole, Mr. Douglas Kelly, and Mr. Gato Dutrio. Each judge will tell you about themselves, provide their feedback on the video submissions, and then announce the winner. After the winner is announced, we will play the video. Take it away, judges.
Well, my name is Danya Fisher-Lindsey, and I reside in the Metro Atlanta area. I am a genealogy consultant. I chose that business or that service after I retired from Sage Software, after serving in the software support, the customer support department for over 20 years. So that is what I do. And I thank Ms. DaVatrice Lindsey, and we are not related. So for asking me to participate in this to encourage our young future entrepreneurs.
Okay, I guess I'll go next. My name is Douglas Kelly. I am Vice President of Sales for Courier Communications, which is located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. That entails a radio station and a newspaper. I'm also president of the Center for Teaching Entrepreneurship. It's an organization that's been around going on 30 years that help teach kids on how to become an entrepreneur. More of the CEO of me, to give them the business mindset of the things that they need to know and that they need to do to be able to succeed in life. That's me.
Thank you both. Thank you, Ms. Danya and Mr. Kelly. We do have two other judges, Dr. Cole and Mr. Dutrio. They may chime in a little later to introduce themselves, but the judges met earlier to vote upon the winner. So now, I don't know who wants to go first. We would like your feedback, judges, on the videos.
Well, I did look at the videos that were submitted. I thought the first one, the Steri card, was very good. I would have preferred to actually see the video rather than a recording of the video. But the video itself was very thorough. The accounting information that was included was very, very detailed. I am a former internal auditor and accountant, so I can appreciate the effort that went into generating the numbers and the statements. And I thought the idea was very pertinent for our current environment. There was another video for the vape drop box, and I thought that was very, very good. It would definitely appeal to their target market of teenagers, of high school students, probably even middle school students. And I thought it was done in such a way that would grab their attention and keep their attention. So I like that one. There was also one for a teen chess instructor, which was very interesting, very good. The young man that demonstrated or made the pitch for the business was very good. And the only thing was that I didn't know what the service was until later into the pitch, and that it was actually teaching chess and teaching chess to young people, which is very good because chess is a game of thought and a game of strategy. So it was very good, but I thought that it was great that these topics or these services were the ones that these young people wanted to teach others and to see come to fruition.
Thank you, Ms. Lindsey. And Mr. Dutriell, I see you signed on. Mr. Dutriell?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now. Would you like to introduce yourself and then also give your feedback on the videos, please?
Okay. Hello, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Mario Aguilar. I'm a serial entrepreneur here in Florida. I own a couple of businesses such as beauty supply and screen printing. Thank you, Ms. Lindsey, for inviting me in. I've looked at the videos, and it was very interesting to see, young children would like to really participate in their environment in a way, and I was very pleased. Well, the first one I looked at was the stereo card. It was a very good idea. I like the idea. It's very original. I've never heard of anybody trying to help stores and all that when it comes to sanitizing their cart. And every time you go to a store, you see before you turn in the cart, there's always an employee there cleaning them. Before you get one, they're cleaning them. And that was a very original idea to bring that up. So the only concern about that is the cost on it. So that's one of the remarks that I have on that, because we're looking at buying one of those for $10,000 for a big store like, let's say, Publix, which probably will have 50,000 cart. 50 cart outside. We're looking at what? We're looking at least $500,000 sitting outside. So that was one of the things that I thought about when it comes to the costs for these cards. Presentation was very good. I really liked it. The second one I looked at was the vaping. Also good presentation. And one of the things that I realized is that vaping is so new and no one really know exactly what's the long-term effect of it. And it was very intelligent of these young people to really take that matter into their hands and try to practically tackle it before it started giving more problems, since it already started giving some problems. Because I've seen some report of kids that went to their emergency due to illness related to vaping. That was very good for them to address that. And I really liked it. And anything, I wish that they had more, I wish that they had more on the program on what they're gonna do, how they're gonna do it on the video. The last one is the chess. I play chess myself. It was very appealing to me. And like you said earlier, Miss Danya Lindsey, chess is very it's a game of mine, and I have seen my little brother playing video games a lot, but 1 hour playing chess probably will amount of any brain activity that they do when it comes to playing video games. Basically, that's what I think. So it was a very good idea, except that it wasn't. The video is lacking content. So those are my thoughts on them on the 3 videos.
Thank you, Mr. Dutrio. And last but certainly not least, Mr. Kelly.
Okay, I'm not going to duplicate any of the comments that were already made. But first of all, I want to give kudos to all 3 submissions. You know, all of them were very well thought out. The individuals who don't win, my comment would be, don't give up on your dream. Just keep developing the idea, keep developing the concept, because just because you didn't win this competition doesn't mean it's not a worthwhile, viable project to do. You just got to get more detail in the information, present more information on the project so it could be very understandable. The only one comment I'm going to duplicate is the one with a stereo card. It would have been nice to see the actual video than a recording of the video.
Yeah.
Thank you all. And now, who would like to announce the winner?
I think the queen should announce it.
Do you need
Ms.
a fake
Lindsey?
drum
Which
roll?
queen? Which
You.
queen?
Miss Danya, I'm neutral. I'm neutral. Miss Danya, you have the floor.
Well, I think it was a tie, correct? Was it? But it was a tie between Stericard and the vape drop box.
Yay!
Yay! So it was equally, you know, for both. And I think that speaks to the how well, to the thought process that went into each video, and also the creativity of each video. So
Absolutely.
congratulations to
Yes,
both of you.
congratulations. And just to piggyback off of what Mr. Kelly said, if you didn't win, that doesn't mean quit, and that doesn't mean that you don't have a good business idea. Keep going.
Exactly.
So now what we'll do is go ahead and play the videos. Mario?
I'm going to set it up so that we can watch the videos.
Thank you very much.
Which is there a preference on which video we would like to play first?
Oh, no.
A Stericard. As COVID hit, I discovered a glaring need for a safe, effective way to reduce the spread of the virus as well as other bacteria. With that in mind, I have researched and developed a safe, high-tech solution, Stericard. I'm passionate about my business because Stericard not only helps society by making shopping safer for everyone, but it also hits close to home as my own family and I have been affected personally by this global pandemic. I've especially been worried about my parents and grandparents regarding their safety when out shopping.
Make it personal, Jay.
With millions of shopping carts being used daily, you can imagine the amount of germs that grow and spread on your shopping cart handle. If you didn't know, there is more bacteria on your shopping cart than there is on a public toilet seat. You may be thinking that you can just use disinfectant wipes, but this adds to our major pollution problem, and it is not as effective as Stericard.
Yeah.
Although COVID has brought public awareness to hygiene, a majority of people still choose to not wipe down their cart. Nevertheless, this awareness is here to stay. Here is a mock-up sketch of one
I made this as
Stericart.
well.
Stericart is going to use high-tech UVC lights to destroy any bacteria and viruses that are lurking on your shopping cart. You can basically call it a car wash of light, but it's for shopping carts. Stericart's short-term goals are to locate and contract manufacturer capable of scale production and to secure enough capital to complete a full-scale prototype for sale. Our long-term goals are to expand from supermarkets to big box retailers such as Walmart, Costco, and Best Buy. We are also going to expand operations from local South Florida supermarkets to other locations throughout the state. Currently, most supermarkets are paying employees to manually clean carts with liquid wipes. This is labor-intensive, not completely effective, and not environmentally safe. With the companies that are attempting to make this process more automated, they all come with severe drawbacks, such as needing to be refilled and reloaded, the use of dangerous chemicals that leave a sticky residue, and more. Stericart requires very little human labor, can sterilize multiple carts at once, is safe and easy to use, it's cost-effective, and it's environmentally friendly. My target clients are supermarkets and stores that use shopping carts in South Florida that want their customers to feel safe with their shopping experience, especially during this pandemic. There are over 3,600 supermarkets in Florida alone, which is tens of thousands nationwide. The sales price of one Stericart costs $10,000. If you want one for your own business, you can contact us through our own website, stericart.com. One of our marketing strategies is through the use of a beta site, which allows for more publicity and demonstrations. This is going to help my product gain a lot of attention. I'm going to be targeting supermarkets and retail establishments in South Florida for a beta site, including Publix, Trader Joe's, and Winn-Dixie to help market Stericart. To make one unit of Stericart, or to make one Stericart, it costs around $2,300, including all of the materials. When we're selling our Stericart for $10,000, our gross profit comes to around $6,900. So our profit margin is not too large so that other competitors can copy our product. For our average monthly operating costs, it costs around $2,000 with our assemblers who are going to assemble the Stericart on site of the place that bought it. We are also going to pay for a storage unit for all of our supplies. And we also need someone to make and maintain our website. Our projected yearly income statement says that we are going to make around $120,000 if we are able to sell 33 Stericart units for an entire year. The cost of supplies that I need for a startup investment is $6,500, including our initial marketing campaign, our website developers, and enough supplies to make one Stericart. I'm asking for a $2,000 investment in order to complete a prototype and also to launch our marketing campaign, which includes the beta site. Not only is this very important for society, but it's also very personal to me, as safety when grocery shopping is a big concern as my parents and more importantly, my grandparents go all the time. We've been personally impacted by COVID as a family, and it hits close to home trying to come up with a way to get something as essential as food while also maintaining security. Staying clean and safe is more important than ever during these times. So if you want to make shopping safer for you, your family and friends, and everyone, you should consider investing in Stericart. Thank you.
Woo! These got questions now.
Fabulous. Thank you, Jordan.
Okay, so that one was the Stericart video. Now I'll put the other video.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Andrea Smith. I'm a senior at DaVatrice School of the Arts, and I'm a part of Teen Coalition in Action.
Hi, I'm Tessie. I'm in 9th grade, and I go to Wellington High School.
Hi, my name's Alex Murrow, and I'm a sophomore at Seminole Ridge Community High School.
Hi everyone, my name is Bellamy Martin. I'm a senior at DaVatrice School of the Arts, and here's our project, Drop the Vape.
Our project is called Drop the Vape.
Did you know that according to the Florida Youth Substance Abuse Survey, that 20.3% of high school students in Palm Beach County had reported using vapes in the last 30 days? Although this number might seem low, the truth is that vaping has become an extremely popular trend among teens all over the country. Our goal is to decrease that number with our vape drop box. Our boxes will give students an easy and accessible way to dispose of their vapes at school. They'll also have access to resources and facts that will provide them with information on the dangers behind vaping and what it can do to their health. We also want to address the vaping problem with an advocacy approach. This will include decreasing the amount of vape shops that are near schools and also make changes to policies involving the punishment for teens that are caught vaping on campus. We also hope to start a Text to Quit program. This will give teens a personal route to quitting vape use. We'll keep track of users' achievements and help them along their drop the vape journey by providing them with resources, facts, tips, and support. We hope that our project will impact a large number of teens all across Palm Beach County. We want to implement our vape drop boxes in schools all over the district and also encourage teens to dispose of their vapes and make healthy choices to improve their overall health and happiness, and in the end, decide to drop their vape.
Thank you very much, Mario. And it was just a pleasure to see, you know, those videos, and Palm Beach County is just full of highly intelligent youth. And that's just, I'm grateful to be able to see that. Now we're going to open up the floor. I see some of the contestants are actually attending today. Do you all have any questions for the judges? Keep in mind, these judges are business owners. Some of them own multiple businesses. So if you have any type of question, now would be a good time to ask.
I would just like to say hi, I'm Bellamy. Thank you guys so much. I'm in my car because I was in class and I got excused for this and didn't have time to drive anywhere. But yes, thank you guys so much. I am so super excited. Me and my team I've been working with, I've been vice president of my coalition for the last year and a half now. And we're just so excited, and we've been waiting for something like this. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I guess my question would be, what more of this process, do we have any guidance from you guys, or are we able to have any guidance from the judges, business owners along further in this process?
Judges?
Sure. I'd be glad to help answer any questions that you may have. I've had several businesses as well, so in different fields. So I would be actually honored to answer any questions you may have.
Judges, would you please put
so
your
much.
contact information? Would you please put your contact information in the chat to make it accessible for everyone? Thank you.
Yes, I would appreciate that. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jordan's mom, and he's in school right now. But I really, I like the comments and suggestions, and especially about the cost, right? Because the cost is definitely important to consider, and it definitely adds up. So he did this originally through the Young Entrepreneurship Academy, and he's going to participate at the end of June in the national competition. And so some of these have been helpful while he fine tunes his presentation for that as well. So thank you, and he'll be very happy when he comes home from school and hears the news.
Very nice. Thank you.
Thank
for his
you.
participation. Any other questions or comments? I see you off of mute, Mr. Frenette. Do you have a question or comment?
No.
Okay.
Now, can I ask a question?
Absolutely.
is it Christian Frenette? Are you the chess master, the chess teacher?
Yes, I am the chess teacher.
Okay, okay. Can I just say that if you could put in your video like pictures of chess or people playing chess or explain the joys of chess, I think that would go a long way for you.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, because it's a great idea for $20. I mean, if I had a kid
It's a functioning
that age,
website, hashtag teamchess.com, shameless plug over.
All right.
Any other questions or comments? No? All right, well, if there aren't any other questions or comments, I will be in contact with the winners to inform you how we'll proceed via email. We'll go from there. Again, congratulations, everyone. And in my book, everyone's a winner because as I stated, it's an honor to see how intelligent you all are, how creative you are, and how our future is in great hands. So thank you so much to the participants. Thank you to the Riviera Beach Community Center that passed out the swag bags. If you haven't picked one up, please contact them to make arrangements or contact our office. And thank you to the Honorable Catherine Bronson, who handed out swag bags today. She got to meet some of the youth and so many people were impressed. They actually received a swag bag from a judge. So that's amazing. So thank you to everyone, and everyone stay safe and healthy. Have a good rest of the week.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
What's in the swag bag?
A lot.